Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics into a website. So we're going to just start from the beginning. So you go to your WordPress dashboard, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is install Yoast. So you go to Plugins, Add New. And then you're going to search plugins and just type Yoast. Okay, and then install. And then you're going to activate it. Okay, so once you activate Yoast, you're going to see in your dashboard on the left-hand side, you'll see the icon here that says SEO. So you're going to go to Search Console. Well, we could actually go through the entire thing and just set it up. That's usually what I do. You know what, let's just set up our Search Console since that's what this video is about. Or actually, I'm sorry, excuse me. So you go to General, and then you're going to go to Webmaster Tools. So you're going to go right here where it says Google Verification Code. Get your Google Verification Code. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to do it with an HTML tag. So you're going to literally just take this here, copy it, go back to Yoast, and you're just going to paste it. Save changes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it is in there, and then you just want to go back and do verify to make sure everything's like all plugged in. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to actually add the property into Google Search Console. So go to your website, copy the URL, and you're going to add it in. Just the domain, or you can enter the URL here. Okay, and then you're all set. Okay, so I guess we can just start. Let's start with analytics. So you're going to sign up. You know, with you should be logged into the Gmail account that you're going to be using to manage the Google Web Properties. And then you're going to put your website URL. You're going to choose a category. Choose your time zone. Okay, and then you're going to get your tracking ID. Okay, so you're going to check the box here. And check that box, I accept. And then let's take a look. Okay, and then you're going to take your tracking ID, your global site tag here. Well, first, actually, let's go back to our dashboard here, and let's install another plugin. So go back to plugins and then add new. And you can install insert headers and footers. Here it is. So you're going to hit install. Activate. Let's see, and then you're going to go to your settings here. Go to insert headers and footers, and you're going to paste your global site tag into the script, or into this area here that says scripts and headers. Okay, and then you just hit save. Oops. Sorry, whoops. Okay, so let's go back. We're going to not do the entire thing. Okay, and then it should say settings saved. And now when you go back to your analytics account, you're going to go to the account. And let's see. Should show that there's one user. Yeah, okay, perfect. So now it says one active user. So we can see that we are getting tracking information.